Experience refined luxury and Colorado charm in this gorgeous University Heights masterpiece. It's nestled on a large lot with easy access to open space, trails, and incredible views. You may even feel like you're tucked away at a mountain retreat. However, it's conveniently located in the heart of Colorado Springs with easy access to everything you can imagine. Welcome to 4744 Bethany Court. I'm so honored and excited to show you around this beautiful home. Let's get started. This retreat has been tastefully updated with such refined and clean lines. I love the abundance of natural light that flows in and the open floor plan. The wood accents and shelving are made from the pine telephone poles that stood on the grounds of the United States Air Force Academy for over 100 years. The beautiful large timber mantle is from a Colorado mining camp. The primary retreat is a gorgeous oasis offering direct access to the deck where you can enjoy amazing sunsets, sunrises, and then head into the private 5-piece master bath that has a spa, shower, and large soaking tub. The lower level offers a spacious rec room, a wet bar, 3 more bedrooms, 2 more bathrooms, and you can walk directly out to the backyard, which has a covered patio area, a hot tub, incredible views, and lots of nature for your enjoyment. This gorgeous luxury retreat feels so serene and private and like it is tucked away in the mountains. However, as it is centrally located, you will find easy access to all areas of town, I-25 powers, and shopping, entertainment, restaurants, and healthcare. It is also minutes away from University of Colorado, Colorado Springs. With easy access to Austin Bluffs open space and nearly 500 acres of beautiful hiking trails and views of the Rocky Mountains, you can easily enjoy the outdoors as often as you like.